Hi friends, today we're repairing a DEXP meat grinder. Let's look at the full name. As I figured out after turning it on, the problem seems to be in the gearbox. The motor is spinning, but the output gears aren't. Let me turn it on and show you. The motor seems to be spinning, but the gear at the end isn't turning. Let's take it apart and take a closer look at the problem. It's possible some of the gears are broken. Even though it says they're made of iron, to disassemble the housing, you first need to unscrew the 6 screws on the bottom of the grinder. Look at the excellent condition the inside of the grinder is in. It looks like it's practically new, or the owner has been keeping a close eye on the speed. This doesn't happen often. Now you need to remove the gearbox and motor from the housing. The gearbox is held in place by 4 screws, plus 1 screw here. Now you can see the motor's name. It's quite powerful. It's clear this meat grinder isn't a cheap one. Look what I found. It looks like the piston rod simply melted the housing from spinning. I think the problem lies right there. Let's disassemble the gearbox. To disassemble the gearbox, you need to unscrew all the screws on this side. I counted 6 screws. I'll unscrew them now and see if the gearbox opens. There are 4 more screws under the cover that hold the gearbox in place. You also need to unscrew 2 screws on the other side. I see a washer here, and this washer is simply fused into the gearbox housing. This is melted plastic. It looks like the housing melted and broke the gear. This gear won't come off. It's jammed. The bottom gear is broken, so it won't turn. I had a hard time getting the gear out of place. Let me show you the broken gear. This gear is made of plastic, and it melted. I also see melted casing in one place. Now the axle is moving in all directions, as the place where the axle is inserted is damaged. So, friends, it turns out that the gearbox needs to be changed as it is badly damaged. I found a similar gearbox for sale, but it was quite expensive. The client decided he wouldn't repair it because it was too expensive. He didn't see the point in repairing it, so he decided to buy a new grinder on the marketplace. He figured the new one would be a bit simpler. I think it overheated and wasn't given time to cool down. The client said it had been running for a very long time without stopping. Give grinders time to cool down. Take breaks, otherwise you'll have the same problems as this one. You now have all the information you need on how to fix it. All you need to do is replace the broken gearbox with a new one, and it will be as good as new again. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye!